everybody, it's Sarah from the library. And today I'm going to sing a really fun song about kitty cats, and then I'm going to show you the activity kit that goes along with the song that will be available for you to pick up at the library. First, let's do the song. It's called I'm a Little Kitty Cat. Here we go. It goes like this. I'm a little kitty cat, nice and sweet. Here are my whiskers and here are my feet. When I go out hunting, mice beware, or you might just get a scare. Okay, we're gonna do that one more time. Here we go. I'm a little kitty cat, nice and sweet. Here are my whiskers and here are my feet. When I go out hunting, mice beware, or you might just get a scare. Okay, and now I'm going to show you what's in the kit. You'll get your lyric sheet right here with all the words to the song and some cute kitty cats. You'll get a couple of these, which are cutouts to make this fun kitty cat with a hanging tail. You'll get also a kitty cat mask that you can color. You'll get this and a paper bag to make a paper bag puppet. What else do I have? I have these cards, and I don't have them with me now, but there's going to be holes in the cards and pipe cleaners so you can practice putting the pipe cleaners through the holes, to make whiskers on the kitty cats. And I have this. They're kitty cats that you can match up together. There's going to be a whole bunch of them, cards, or you can play a memory game with them. They're very, very cute. And that's what's in the kit. And it will be available for you to pick up at the library. Okay, everybody, I'll see you again really soon. Bye-bye, everyone.